Curry's Buy Now, Pay Later review. Legit or a scam? So Curry's is one of the UK's leading tech retailers offering flexible financing options via FlexPay. This includes interest-free promotions, standard BNPL, fixed monthly payment plans, which is offered through the standard platform. The service is powered by Creation Consumer Finance and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So, what's good about it or its pros is it supports interest-free purchases, which offers 6 to 12 months interest-free periods. It also has flexible payment tiers. You can choose between interest-free options or longer-term plans. It also has the strong integration and visibility, and it's trusted by the lender partnership. So Currys acts as a broker. Financing is handled by the Creations Consumer Finance under FCA oversight. What's bad about it though is it has unclear fees or admin costs. Some users report surprise admin or settlement fees. It also has credit application glitches, so people experience mismatches between approvals and actual ability to complete purchases. The system reliability also has some issues at times, like users report the system errors and so on. They also have dependent refund processes, and the trust and privacy has some risk, and they even have limited cooling off an open item. So, overall, in conclusion, it is a legitimate financing option with clear benefits, especially interest-free deals and flexible payment durations. It's not a scam. However, users should proceed with caution